I started this bathroom renovation back in mid to late February, stripping it down to nothing and rebuilding it one corner at a time. I removed the old tile and built my own oak vanity from nothing. Added an accent wall that would complement the space but also be a main focal point. I knew from the beginning that the bath surround had to go and that I wanted tile to go all the way up to the ceiling. So after ripping out all of the walls surrounding the tub and replacing it, I added tile that was still neutral, timeless, and that in my opinion contrasted well with all the other colors. For the new floors, I wanted to keep it as neutral as possible without pulling too warm or too cool, and I also wanted the durability of tile. The very last thing to do was to add some finishing decor items to bring everything together. Let's remember what this space once was and join me as I show you how I finished it off. I found these gold hooks on Amazon that we could use to hang like loofahs and stuff. They seem to be very durable, but only time will tell if they are. To hang the new curtain, I am using regular curtain hooks from IKEA. To help keep the greenery up higher in the vase, I filled it with tissue paper to fill the empty space. I wasn't sure about adding curtains to this window, but ultimately decided it was just too busy next to the shower curtain, so I opted for a blind instead. I added a rug big enough yet small enough so it wouldn't cover the entire flooring and it could still peek through. I also added a few thrifted frames above the toilet. Now let's remember once more what this space used to look like. And what it looks like now. It was a long, fun, challenging learning experience, and I am so glad to be enjoying the fruits of my labor. As always, I love y'all, be kind, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye.